to my channel, and if you're new, I am so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be showing you some products from a couple of brands that I've been wanting to try for a while, and I finally narrowed down the things that I wanted to start off with. In future videos you're going to be seeing some wear tests, some reviews, and maybe a few first impressions. So let's go ahead and start off with Chanel. Isn't the packaging just beautiful? I think it's so nice. Let's go ahead and see how it's packaged on the inside. So nice tissue paper, a little Chanel sticker. And it's got the little shredded spaghetti stuffing in there. The first thing that I got, this is the ombre creamy eyeshadow, and when I was trying to figure out if I wanted a palette or if I just wanted a single eyeshadow, I saw this particular eyeshadow and I was like, okay, that is so beautiful. I hope that it looks even more beautiful on the eye. So let's go ahead and see. Oh my gosh. So they go the extra mile with the packaging. I already like just the boxing that it comes in, but not only does it come inside of the boxing, but then they go the extra mile and there's this velvety covering as well. So there's the actual product. You push in the little bottom part here, you open it up. So they have the little plastic covering on top, then you have a brush inside, and here is the actual product. This is the shadow. This is what the product looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. So it's very gold, it's like an old gold, and it has a satiny finish. It has a little hint of sparkle in it, but not too much. Just a nice gold foil satiny look. So when you order online with Chanel, you can also pick out samples, and I think they allow you to pick out two. But anyway, their samples came in a nice little bag with a drawstring. So the La Base mascara is the base coat for the other mascara that I got. And so this is called Volume and Care Lash Primer. So I wanted to try their mascara initially, and then I just decided on just trying out their eyeshadow. And I was so glad when I saw that one of the selections on the for their samples were their mascaras. And so I chose the two things that I had been thinking about trying when I was on their site and looking at everything. And so I chose the base for the mascara, and then I actually got the sample of the mascara that goes with this. So it is in this. And I forgot to read what it was called, but it's the Le Volume Revolution Mascara. So it's supposed to add volume. I tell y'all, I like to get any kind of mascara that says that it's supposed to add volume, or volume and length, because I want the thickness and then I also want the length. So this actual one is in a little tube. Y'all can see that. And then the base coat for the mascara is in this little container. I can't wait to try those out, and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, and I think that is it for Chanel. The last few things are Dior products. So I actually ordered from Dior online for a few things that I wanted, and then I ordered from Sephora for a couple of other things that I wanted to try. So before I open this, I'm going to show you the things that I got from the Sephora website. So, I had been thinking about what luxury foundation do I want to try. And it has to be because my skin is aging and I'm trying to get things that make my skin more youthful, make me look more youthful. And so I saw this Forever Skin Glow. So even though my skin is combination skin and I have, you know, places that are oily and places on my skin, on my face that are just normal. I don't really get dry skin until like the fall and winter seasons. But normally throughout the rest of the year, I have combination skin where it's just oily and normal on the other areas. So I figured I would try this Forever Skin Glow foundation. And let's go ahead and open that. So you can see the pre-boxed packaging. And this has been around for a little bit. I think many people have already tried it. And this is the bottle itself. And the color that I picked out is 3WO, and that is just the number 3, and warm olive is what the W and the O stand for, because I do have olive undertones in my skin. So I am hoping that this particular color works for me. And I also ordered the Rouge Blush. So this color, they had, I think, one other color, maybe a few more than that, but I think it was like 2. My memory's off. But anyway, this particular color is the one that stands out. That's why I can't remember how many more shades they had and what they were, because this online was so beautiful. So, oh, again, with Dior, you have the little velvet packaging, you have the box, then the actual product is inside of this beautiful blue velvet closure, little pocket, and then you have the actual packaging. And let's see. Okay, so 962 Poison Matte. There's the magical button. This is so sleek that everything is seamless, and so I could not see the area where I would have to press to open this up. So, way to go, Dior. Too bad for my eyes, though. Okay, so there again, even for Dior, there's a mirror up there and plastic packaging to protect the blush. And then there is a brush inside, and then of course and there you go. Isn't that color beautiful? Oh my goodness. It's like I could not pass up on this color. There were lighter colors, I believe. I know there was like a more pinky color. And this one was just gorgeous. So let's go ahead, and of course you have the little logo on there, so I gotta point that out. You have that beautiful Dior logo on the product. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a swatch. Ooh, okay, so it looks like something that's gonna be buildable, but I just have to say, okay, because of what we're talking about, that just rubbing over the product was like rubbing the top of a satin or silk pillowcase. Okay, normally I rub over a blush and it feels like I'm rubbing over blush, but this, it actually felt like I was rubbing over a pillow. So I don't know, it could be in my mind where I'm expecting something special because of who these brands are, but that's what I felt. All right, let's go ahead and swatch this blush. Okay, so very light, and I don't even know if you all can see it. Let's try another. Oops, can I do this? Here we go. Let's try another swatch right over the top of that. Okay, so it seems like something that will be buildable if you want more But I want to say that because of the color and the pigmentation, that less is going to be more with this blush. You don't want it to be like, bam, I have blush on. You kind of want it to just be a hint, you know, like my husband was looking at me in that way. Ooh, you know, I'm blushing, because I still blush when my husband looks at me in that way. And you will see these products again. I'm excited to use them and just see how they feel on my face. For the last thing, and the product that I actually ordered from Dior, the website, directly. Before I pull on this ribbon, we're just going to take a moment to take this in, admire the packaging, and because they put a lot of time into this. All right, this takes time, and it's beautiful, and I'm just excited about what's in it. So we're not going to take as much time as they took to put all this together. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was fun. Okay, so now let's take this lid off. Oh, that's pretty. Very similar to Chanel, with the tissue paper and the little sticker with their logo on it, but that's a solid sticker. So that's very nice. Okay, so we're just gonna pull that back. It's like turning pages in a book. Okay, so we've got some samples in here too. What did I get? Dior Capture Total Super Potent Serum. So I got some skincare, firming and wrinkle correcting cream, and the super potent serum. So of course I got to try the skincare out. Now let's dig into this stuff. Okay, so to keep everything nice and secure, I was trying to think, did I get something else? But so they have more secured tissue paper right here. They have this onto the side to protect any shifting in the packaging. So that's very nice. Let's see. I'm going to go into this. I think this is another sample. So since they had the samples on top, why not? Oh, okay. So I wanted to try, I forgot about this one. So the skincare that I just showed you, the serum and the wrinkle cream. And then I wanted to try a perfume, and this is Holy Peony. And so let's see what the little perfume container looks like, but let me see. Isn't that pretty? All right, so let's open that. All right, so it's the typical little sample size spray perfume container. So let me go ahead and try that out. Huh. Oh, that smells good. Can't wait to wear that some more, but I love it. Okay, let me move this stuff over. What is this? Okay, so this is the Forever Skin Correct Concealer. So this is also in the color 3WO, 3 Warm Olive. And here's the concealer. The last thing that I got is a lipstick. And I was hoping that this lipstick went with the blush. Let's see, what color? Okay, so this is 779 Purple Pulse. There's the packaging. is the lipstick. Ooh, I think it works. Let's put the swatch next to the blush swatch and see what happens. Ooh, that, I did pretty well. So pretty. That felt very nice. So, that is it for this haul. I will be coming back to you, showing you how I use these products and letting you know exactly what I think about them, their formulas, and everything else involved with that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give a like. And if you are new, please subscribe if you enjoyed yourself. And don't forget to click that bell. That bell allows you to know about all my future uploads. You all take care, be safe, have a blessed day, and I will see you all on the next video, God willing. Bye-bye.